In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard, type ncpa.cpl, and press Enter. In the window that opens, locate your Wi-Fi adapter. If it appears grayed out, right-click it, select Disable. Wait about 5 seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable. You can also click Diagnose to let Windows attempt to fix the issue automatically. If your adapter is already enabled or not showing at all, move to the next step. Click the Start button, open Settings, then go to System and select Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters, find Network Adapter or Network and Internet, and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect and fix any problems. If the issue continues, press Windows plus R again, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and find WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click it and select Restart. Then open Properties, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and click OK. Next, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi or wireless driver and select Uninstall Device. Make sure you do not check the option to remove the driver, then click Uninstall. Restart your computer and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. If Wi-Fi is still missing, click the search icon, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type NetEsh WinSock Reset and press Enter, then type NetEsh EONT IP Reset and press Enter. Restart your computer again. If that still doesn't work, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, and click Network Reset. Select Reset now to reinstall all network components. Another method is to open the search icon, type Control Panel, and press Enter. Search for Internet options. Open it, go to the Advanced tab, and click Restore Advanced Settings. Click Apply, then OK. Next, press Windows plus R, type msconfig, and press Enter. Under the General tab, select Normal Startup, then go to the Services tab, click Disable All, then click Enable All, followed by Apply and OK. Restart your computer. If none of the steps worked, perform a soft reset by holding down the power button for about 30 seconds, even after the screen turns off. Then release it and turn your computer back on. As a helpful tip, this soft reset step is often very effective for laptops because it clears leftover electrical charge inside the system. This can fix situations where the Wi-Fi card is not being detected at all. After following these steps, your Wi-Fi should now be visible and working again. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.